Do you think you can make money online by creating a YouTube channel? Do you already have one but want to develop it? Do you want no nonsense, no BS advice from someone who just wants to share? There are several ways in which you can make money with a YouTube channel. These include AdSense payments, affiliate revenue, merch, and subscriptions. If you want to find out how, watch this video to the end and I'll tell you what I know. My name is Ben Lovegrove and I built this channel through trial and error over several years. As you can see, my channel has over 24,400 subscribers. As YouTube channels go, it's not big and it doesn't generate a huge amount of income each month, but it has value for me beyond the obvious financial benefit. Creating and developing this channel involved learning to use some new tools and skills. It also involved making some mistakes, and I'll share some of those in this video so that you can avoid them, saving yourself some time and effort. I started developing my channel in September 2016. By 2018, it was making money each month and it was in profit. The monthly income remained constant for a few years, but lately the AdSense revenue has dropped. This is for several reasons: lack of constant input, which is entirely my own fault, but also an increase in competition and YouTube algorithm changes. I'll come back to those points later. First, here's a brief introduction to the tool I use to make these videos, my channel and tools. I started out using a tool called Content Samurai to make the videos. It was later rebranded as Vidnami. Then, in 2021, the owners sold Vidnami to GoDaddy, the hosting and domain company. Vidnami was such a great tool that many of the previous Vidnami customers started looking for an alternative in order to maintain their output schedule. Many of them opted for Pictory, and that's one of the tools I use now. You can find a link to a free trial below this video. Pictory enables you to take a block of text, an existing blog post or something you've just written for your video, paste that text into Pictory, and wait for the AI to choose video clips for each sentence. You can create reels for Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, or shorts and videos for YouTube, lasting several minutes long, just like the one you're watching now. You have full editorial control over the video. You can change the clips for others, upload your own, and change the text. You can choose background music and add AI voiceovers. They've recently added very realistic AI voices from 11 Labs, which are available to Pro subscribers. Anyway, back to the channel development. Your target to monetize your channel. At the time of writing this, YouTube insists on the following prerequisites before you can earn ad revenue from your channel. Creators must be at least 18 years old. The channel needs to have a minimum of 500 subscribers. The channel must have at least 3 valid public uploads within the past 90 days. The channel must achieve either 3,000 watch hours in the past year or 3 million shorts watch hours. However, all that is for monetization for ad revenue from YouTube. You can still earn money from affiliate links in your video description from day one, assuming, of course, that your videos are popular enough and attract the right audience. What's the right audience? The right audience for earning commission through affiliate marketing is the same as it is in blogging, and that is people who are searching or browsing with buyer intent. People watch YouTube videos for several reasons. For example, information, entertainment, education, or when seeking reviews of products and services that they're thinking of buying. If your videos are informative or entertaining, then you might earn some ad revenue from them once your channel is monetized. If your videos attract viewers with buyer intent, then you might earn some affiliate commission from their clicks and purchases through the links you place in the description area. If you review products or services that you've used, then you might earn some affiliate commission from their clicks and purchases through the links you place in the description area. But give honest reviews of products and services that you have actually purchased and tested. Also, be honest about your affiliate marketing and include an affiliate disclaimer in your description area. Check my description for an example. Choosing a niche. To start a YouTube channel, you need a niche. You need a subject that interests you enough that you're willing to put a few hours each week into talking about it, or at least creating videos about it. Your interest needs to be sustained over many months. Unless you're very lucky and skilled, you're not going to be an overnight success. So that's the first key point: choose the right niche. If you're building a blog with the intention of affiliate marketing, then you need a niche that includes products or services you can promote through affiliate links on your blog. But while this is useful for a YouTube channel, it's not essential that it's a niche that has lots of products or services to promote. If your views are high enough, the ad revenue alone will be your main source of revenue. So you can create a channel that just gives advice. You can make lots of how-to videos that are informative and useful. Creating content every week. Creating content each week can be time-consuming. Whether you're a blogger or YouTuber or both, it takes several hours per week, every week, to maintain the momentum. The good news is that you now have all kinds of AI tools available to you that make the process easier, quicker, and more efficient. This means that, using these tools, you can generate so much more output per week. Download my free list of AI tools using the link below this video. For example, using just ChatGPT to create the script and Pictory to create the video, you can produce a good, entertaining 5-minute video for your viewers within 30 minutes. Choosing a format. Once you've decided what subject you're going to cover in your channel, you need to decide the general format of your videos. You don't have to stick to the same format for all your output. In fact, it's probably best to generate a mix, but for a consistent amount of output, you might want to consider the pros and cons of each method. For example, an on-camera video format means that you can just sit at your computer and talk for as long as you need while you record yourself. For this, you'll need a good quality camera and microphone, and you'll need to practice until your sound, vision, and lighting are just right. You'll need to be able to talk clearly without any hesitation. In other words, you'll need some presentation skills. If you make any mistakes while recording, you can edit or re-record later. It's a method that works very well for some people, but not everyone wants to be on camera. I don't, which is why I chose this format. I don't appear on camera and narrate my videos instead. This means I can record them one sentence at a time and that way remove errors as I create them. Sometimes I don't even record a narration. I might make a short with or without an AI voice narrating them. If you want to run a channel that has an avatar narrating the video, then the tool you need for that is Huygen, link below. With Huygen, you can use one of their avatars or create a new one using an AI image, or one of yourself. So you see, it's now possible to create videos entirely by AI. The script, the avatar, and the voiceover. YouTube SEO. There are lots of videos about YouTube SEO, but the basics are really easy to grasp. First, your video title should include your target keyword or key phrase. Make it no more than 70 characters long. Put any links you want to promote in the first 3 lines of the description. This is because only those lines are visible without clicking the Show More link in the text. Next, repeat the title in the description and then add a few hundred words of description about the video. You can add more links and calls to action here too. Finish the description with any disclosures and disclaimers. Be honest and transparent, as this builds trust. Put a lot of effort into the thumbnail. This is an area in which I have been lax, and I need to improve the quality of my thumbnails. People see thumbnails first and titles second, so you can pick up a lot of extra traffic with the right thumbnails. Add your video to a playlist and add relevant tags to it. The tags must be relevant to the video, otherwise they're a waste of time and might actually harm your SEO if they are random or irrelevant. Add the end screen to encourage viewers to start watching another of your videos and to subscribe to your channel. Add the card that appears in the top right corner of the video. If you have a blog that's in your Google Search Console account, you can add a link here, once you've reached the threshold that activates this function. Once you're satisfied with all these points, make it live or schedule it for a particular time window according to the time zone in which your audience is likely to be more active. Finally, once your video is live, post the first comment and pin it to the top. Your comment could be a question or a call to action or just something that encourages engagement. Promoting your new video. Now that your video has been uploaded and you've finished all the SEO tasks, it's time to promote it. This is simply a matter of sharing it in all your social media channels, choosing the right time of day, and the optimal hashtags for your audience and platform. You can do this multiple times with all your videos. In fact, you should use them as assets that can be shared over and over again, but of course don't do it too often. Wrapping it up, that's about it for the basics. You'll also need to check your YouTube analytics to see what works and what doesn't, and adjust your video creation accordingly. If you're still there, thanks for watching and listening this far. I could go on, but you should get to grips with everything I've mentioned first. Once you've mastered these basics, you'll be on the right track and you'll probably find your own way. Best of luck.